Hello students, in our previous class we found the values of polynomials for different values of variables present in it. However, we got different constant terms. But when, let's say we have a polynomial px, and if you are finding the value of p at a certain value, let's say 1, by replacing x is equal to 1 and you get p1 as 0, then px is said to be a 0 polynomial at x is equal to 1. To understand this better, let's take a look at a few solved examples. So, check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of polynomials x plus 2. I am going to go ahead and define my polynomial first. So, let px be my polynomial such that it is equal to x plus 2. We need to find the values for minus 2 and 2. So, I am going to just substitute x is equal to minus 2 in this equation. So, this becomes minus 2 plus 2, which is going to give you 0. Let's check for p2 as well. This is going to give you 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. Now, this is not equal to 0. So, for the value x is equal to minus 2, you are getting p of x as 0, that is p of minus 2 is 0. Therefore, your answer is minus 2 is the 0 of polynomial px is equal to x plus 2. Why? Because at x is equal to minus 2, the value of polynomial is 0. Let's go ahead and solve the fourth example. Find the 0 of the polynomial px is equal to 2x plus 1. So, they have already defined the polynomial for us, that is px is equal to 2x plus 1. We need to find the 0 of the polynomial. Now, the 0 of the polynomial, how are we going to find it? For the value of 0 of polynomial, p of x is going to be 0, which means 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. I am taking 1 to the right hand side. Since it is positive here, it will go to the right hand side and become minus 1. 2 is getting multiplied with x. So, I am going to take 2 down here, it will get divided. This is going to be minus 1 upon 2. So, answer x is equal to minus 1 upon 2 is the 0 of polynomial px is equal to 2x plus 1. You can check this by substituting the value of minus half in 2x plus 1. So, let's just verify this. X plus 1, I am just substituting minus half. So, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, this is equal to minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0. Hence, this is proved. So, I hope you have got a clear picture of zeros of polynomials. Let's make our roots strong by solving the third example. Verify whether 2 or 0 are polynomials of x square minus 2x. I am simply going to go ahead and define my polynomial. Let px be my polynomial. Now, remember, this is x square minus 2x. This is a polynomial only in one variable. That is why I can give a name like p or q. I can give any name to my polynomial, p or q, but this is one variable and you have to mention the variable itself in the bracket. You cannot write something like qy because your variables are x over here. You have only one variable. Suppose if you had x square minus 2y, then you would have written your polynomial as qx comma y, okay, or px comma y. So, this can change but not the values inside the bracket because they denote the variables that exist in your polynomial. So, anyway, I will proceed with the sum. Qx is equal to x square minus 2x. Now we need to verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of polynomials. Simply let's substitute for x is equal to 2. Substitute, we get q2 is equal to, simply substitute the value of x as 2. You get 2 square minus 2 into 2, right? So this is 2 square is 4 minus 4. This is equal to 0. So yes, 2 is a 0 of polynomial qx is equal to x square minus 2x. Okay. Now let's check for x is equal to 0. Q of 0 is, I am substituting only in places of x. So 0 square minus 2 into 0. 0 into 0, that is 0 square is 0, minus 2 into 0 is 0. So 0 minus 0 is again 0. Therefore you got your q0 as 0. Therefore 0 is the 0 of qx is equal to x square minus 2x. So here we have completed our solved examples related to zeros of polynomials. Now we will go ahead and solve exercise 2.2 in the next session. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.